Welcome to AdvSouthAfrica. We're here at the track at Dirt Bronco. Got the pit bike out. Today, I want to show you guys my favorite thing about my Flatout racing gear. Let's hop on the bike. I'll tell you now. Okay, so as you can see on a pit bike, your knees are quite bent. Hey, hey! Woo! Okay, so I'm putting quite a bit of time on this kit at the moment. On both my 450 and my pit bike. And I have to say that barring the great comfort, I mean they really are comfortable. They really are comfortable to wear. The biggest thing that I found they're quite helpful for is all the knee room they've left us. So my knees can be quite bent. It doesn't pull my knee guards down, which is quite nice. And yeah, that makes it really easy to ride the pit bike in actual gear. Because there's never a thing of bending your knee and it pulling your knee guards down. That's my biggest thing, especially in comparison with my Thor gear. I believe it's Thor gear. Now guys, if you think this kit looks cool, you absolutely have to see the FR93 2021 edition kit. It is looking so dope. There's plenty space left on there to add sponsors or whatever you want. And overall, I am super chuffed with it. Obviously, time will tell in terms of wear and tear, but so far it's holding up really darn good. And it's always a good rip sesh out here. So guys, keep an eye out on Flatout Racing's Instagram page. They're going to have all the new kits up there, and believe me when I say that it is dope. Woo! One more lap for the boys.